Welcome to the second in a series of short demos talking about the things you can do with content or link. In the first demo, we showed you how quickly and easily you can create a web page and generate a link, and you can deploy it wherever you want. In this demo, we're going to embellish on that a bit, create another page that has a few more interesting things on it, like formatting, images, and so forth. So let's get started. We're going to content or link. We're going to log in as the same user as the last time. And we end up on the same page. This is the group that Steve belongs to. If we go down here to our My Groups link, this shows all the groups that Steve belongs to, and there is only one. Therefore, when you log in, you will end up on your only group page. So let's go back there then. Let's click on Go to Group. Here's the first page we created. Interesting page. Interesting because it was done very quickly. What we're going to do now is create a little more interesting page. Page 2 demo. And this is going to have a specific topic. It's going to be about Florida trees. This is where we have our text. But we're going to use the same thing we did the last time. Instead of spending all of our time typing, it's going to be random text generated by lorem ipsum. I have that open over here. We can copy and paste into our document. We now want to add an image. I've got some images of Florida trees. If I click on the image icon, we can upload. So I'm going to find the image I want. There it is. Also, I can do some formatting. Maybe I don't want it to be the whole width of the page. I'm going to make it 65%. And also, I want some space around the edges of the image. I don't want all the text jammed up right next to the image. I save. One more thing I can do is I can align this to the right to make it look a little more interesting. So there is our interesting page. I can preview it. There's also a couple of other things I would like to add to this. I would like to add one last statement that says, click here for more information. So if I highlight this and click on the link icon, I have a link, Google search of Florida trees that I had done earlier. So if I click this, I can paste that URL into here, and I can save. And the most important thing now is to create a link to our page. So if I create a link, I have the option of right here on this page sharing with Facebook or email or Twitter. I'm just going to copy the link, open a new tab, and show what the page looks like. There it is. I noticed a couple things I missed. I forgot to make this header big. So I'm going to go back here and make it a real header, H1, and also center it. And there's one more thing I'd like to do just to make the text look cool, is increase the font size of that first letter. Something you often see in texts. So I'm going to save this. And if I go back to where I deployed this, as soon as you refresh the page, there it is. So that's a little more interesting page than the first one we did. So that's the end of our second demo. Come back for more. We're going to show a lot more about what you can do with content or link. Thank you.